Hi, once John here again. Just another quick and easy meal again. These are leftover pork sausages that we had from last night, which has just been reheating for the past 5 minutes or so. And what I've got is just some frozen fixed veggies that I stuck into the microwave for a couple of minutes just to de-thaw them. And for something quick and easy for a Friday night meal. What I might just turn it up a little bit, just to reheat the vegetables. I made sure that the pork sausages were quite hot for the obvious reasons. I'm just stirring everything up, just to reheat the vegetables and mix everything together. This would probably serve two, but if you want to serve two, I would have put in a very large basic bowl of veggies, but this would be a very good hearty meal for one person. Especially because, you know, if you've got any kids, it would be a very reasonable, quick and easy meal for them. Or if you're on your own and you haven't got much time poor, it'll also be a quick and easy meal as well. Just going to make sure that everything's going to be hot, so I think it's hot enough. Yep, everything is hot enough. Now what I've done is, when I've had the frozen the mixed vegetables into the microwave for 3 minutes, I was having the chopped up sausages in there heating up, because the last thing you want is a half cold sausage. It's not any good. I'll just turn that off. So all up, it'll be about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. And I've never got the knack of this, so my luck will probably go everywhere. And it's behaving itself. There you go, just one bowl of sausages and mixed veggies. I hope this helps. Anyway, hope to hear from you soon. Bon appetit.